Most people will never escape poverty. Not because they can't, but because they won't. The truth is, staying broke is a choice. And today, I'm going to expose the exact reasons why most people will never get rich and how to make sure you're not one of them. And if you don't want to stay poor forever, watch until the end. The biggest reason people stay poor is because they're comfortable being broke. Sounds crazy, right? But think about it. Most people are comfortable staying in their little bubble complaining about life rather than doing something to change it. They waste time watching Netflix, scrolling on social media, and playing video games, while rich people are building, learning, and executing. Comfort is the enemy of success. If you don't get uncomfortable, you'll stay broke forever. Listen, if you believe the system is rigged against you, you've already lost. Poor people blame the government, the economy, rich people, their family, everyone else but themselves. Meanwhile, wealthy people take full responsibility. They understand that nobody is coming to save them. You have two choices. Keep blaming the world or take control of your own future. Which one are you going to choose? Here's a brutal truth. A 9-to-5 job alone will never make you rich. Most people think if they just work hard, they'll eventually make it. But the system is designed to keep you just comfortable enough so you never leave. The real money is in skills, investments, and ownership. If you're not building something outside of your job, whether it's a side hustle, a business, or investment, you will always be trading your time for money, and that's a game you'll never win. Most people are broke because they make dumb decisions with money. They finance cars they can't afford, buy the newest iPhone on credit, and spend money to look rich instead of actually becoming rich. The rich use debt to make more money. The poor use debt to flex on people they don't even like. If you want to escape poverty, stop spending money like you're already wealthy. Learn to invest before you learn to spend. Now that you know why most people stay broke, how do you escape? Here's what you need to know. Fix your mindset. Take full responsibility for your life. Develop a high income skill, sales, marketing, coding, content creation. Pick one and master it. Stop wasting time. Cut out distractions and use your time wisely. Stop spending like you're rich. Invest first, spend later. Take action. Stop waiting for the perfect time and just start. Most people watching this video will do nothing. They'll nod, agree, and then just go right back into the old habits. But if you're serious about changing your life, you need to start now. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.